वेधशाळेन शिटकावणी दिल्ल्याप्रमाण राज्यांत पावस पडला. आता मेरेन राज्यांत 3 सुवातांचेर चड पावस नोंद जाला. आनीकय पावस आसा म्हण पणजे वेधशाळेन सांगला. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
On 12th of September, almost all stations over Goa reported moderate rainfall, and out of that, 3 stations reported heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 6 centimeters. KTM reported the highest 10 centimeters, then Sanghi reported 7.5 centimeters, Madgaon reported 7 centimeters. Stations such as Panji, Old Goa and Sakli reported 5 centimeters, and all other remaining stations reported 2 to 3 centimeters of rainfall. The rainfall activity over Goa has been higher for the past 3 days starting from around 11th of September, and this was forecasted by IMD by around 8th of September itself that the activity over Goa is going to increase. Now for the coming days there are a few systems that is going to enhance the rainfall activity over Goa. That means the same conditions are going to persist for almost the complete week. There is a low pressure area that has formed over Andhra Pradesh coast, and there is one more that is to form by around 17th of September. So these systems are going to keep the rainfall active over Goa. Most of the stations are going to get moderate rainfall, and isolated stations, that means 1 or 2 stations over North and South Goa districts, are going to receive heavy rainfall during this period. Heavy rainfall is rainfall exceeding 6 centimeters and less than 12 centimeters in 24 hours. Now the main system, like I mentioned, that is going to enhance or keep the rainfall activity over Goa is the low pressure area that is going to form over Bay of Bengal, and the one that is already existing over Andhra Pradesh coast. Regarding the cumulative rainfall over Goa up to now, Goa has recorded a total of 362 centimeters of rainfall against a normal value of 282 centimeters, that is 29% higher than normal. But last year in 2019, on same date of 2019, it was 34% higher than normal value. It is requested that public be updated from the latest information shared by IMD through its website or through social media platforms, because the warnings are based on the latest observations and latest weather systems prevailing.